AB Academy, what's going on? It's your boy Avery B. As you can see from today's topic, I'm about to show y'all the blueprint, the sauce of how to start a coaching business. But it's going to be easy ASF. If you don't know what that means, look it up. I'm not going to curse on here because we are going to get monetized. So I'm about to give you guys the step-by-step roadmap for aspiring coaches and solopreneurs. I'm about to show you exactly how I did it. If you guys don't know, I run a business about content, and I'm about to show you my whole blueprint on how I did it, as well as how much I made over this last year, as well as everything that comes with it. I'm about to give y'all exactly what I did. No cap. I want y'all to win as much as I did, if not more. Stay tuned to the end, and we're going to give y'all some serious sauce. I'm going to give y'all and break y'all down on something that we just started doing to help people just like you looking to start a coaching business. So let's get into it, man. So first up, man, for context, I made $70,000 in my first full year of business from just one of my 3 offers. I got multiple offers. This is one of 3 that we made 70K in. And literally, like I told y'all, my first year of business, like, I'm not a business guy. You know what I mean? You're hearing from somebody who is a legit content creator, not a business guy. I learned this all by myself. It was a period of my social media career where I messed my leg up. I was about to say broke. I tore my ACL. And in me tearing my ACL, I couldn't do the same videos that I was doing. So it sat me down, and I read a lot of books. I learned a lot of business. I learned about funnels, the back end, all stuff that you don't have to learn, because I'm about to give you exactly what I learned in these years. In that whole year, me having to sit down with this leg injury, I'm about to give you exactly what I learned to be able to scale one of my offers to $70,000, as you can see, and that was the past 12 months. So let's get into it, man. Like I told y'all, I'm about to give you my exact blueprint. I'm about to share the simplest roadmap to launch, expand, and optimize your own coaching business. And this is all coming from somebody that is not smarter than you, gang. I am a social media influencer, bro. I post videos, gang. I'm not smarter than you whatsoever, and I'm not claiming to be. That's why I'm telling you exactly what I'm about to do for you guys, right? This is not for everybody, mind you. I have to give this disclaimer. This is not for everybody. As you continue to watch this, you're going to notice if it's for you or if it's not for you. Some people might not have the requirements necessary, and that is perfectly fine. As you can see, it's perfectly okay. If you do not want to start a business, that's perfectly fine. I'm not in the business of telling people they need to start. I'm not in the business of that, bro. If you don't want to do it, you do not have to. I think it's pretty fun. It's pretty cool. I love helping people. You know what I mean? This is something that I definitely took a passion to. I love teaching the things that I learned over these past 10 years of doing YouTube, packaging up and giving it to somebody so that it can help them along their journey. So it's beneficial for me. I know a lot of people who don't like to deliver value and crunch it up and give it out and hop on call. I know a lot of people that don't like to do that, which is okay. And I'm about to give you my whole blueprint of everything that I do, right? So let's get into it, man. And I'm going to give you, I think it's like 5 to 6 steps of how to start this business, or at least how I did it and scaled the way I did. So it's going to be a good video. Make sure you stay tuned to the end. You're going to get some valuable insights, man. So step 1 is going to be to identify your zone of genius. Look, everybody is good at something. Everybody has skills at something. Everybody learned and figured out how to do something that they're passionate about and that they actually know how to do really, really good. And this is the beautiful thing about this. Whether that could be playing guitar, playing basketball, doing YouTube, as you can see from me. In every step, I'm about to give you my exact examples for every single step. You know what I mean? No, I don't know anybody who's dissecting their business from the back end to show you exactly how to do it, but AB Academy, man. So make sure y'all subscribe. Make sure y'all get us a like, right? So identify your zone of genius. Best ways to do it is these 3 steps right here. Take a skills audit. I got a question for you, man. What do people already ask you, like, to help them with? 9 times out of 10, somebody asks you for something multiple times, right? People probably say you talk good, you talk a lot. You know what I mean? You're a good communicator. People probably tell you that. People probably, slight dog sighting in the back. People come to you with their ideas or their problems of their problems that they want you to solve. And whatever they want you to solve, 9 times out of 10, you're probably good at that. You're probably an expert in your field. You don't even know it. You know what I mean? Past wins. What is something that you've won at? What is something that you achieve results at that other people would like to mirror those results? And natural passion, man. And this is the beautiful thing about it. When you have a natural passion for something and you can share that and help people, oh my gosh, it's so euphoric. It's such a beautiful experience to be able to share with somebody the things that you was able to do over these past couple years, and they actually pay you for your expertise. And not only do they pay you for their expertise, but they get valuable information from your expertise, and they are able to monetize your expertise into their own. You know what I mean? That's the whole reason for this business plan, is to be able to do something for a long period of time, consolidate it, concise it into great information, bite-sized information, be a great teacher, and have people to follow in your footsteps, following your lead, right? So that's basically all I do on this channel, is show you guys from my experience. And no, you don't have to pay for it. I give free videos like this, but when you do pay for it, as you are about to see, your results exponentially increase, right? So for me, like I told y'all, I'm going to backtrack everything that I did, starting with number one, identify your zone as genius, which for me was obviously YouTube. I accumulated over 2 million. Oh, my bad. Hey, I'm so far in the future, I'm saying I got 2 million. I accumulated over 1.2 million subscribers, right? And I've been posting videos for a long time, guys, a long time. And I learned so much over those journeys and years and periods of posting videos that I could tell you something about your channel right away that you will never see unless you put in this many hours as me, right? So I basically, like I told y'all, consolidate my knowledge and give it to y'all. And my field of expertise is YouTube, right? So step 2 is to choose your platform. Now, this is where you're going to host your coaching platform at. This right here is essential. I've bought a coaching program for a lot of money. I'm not even going to explain how much money it was, but that was a Discord coaching program. There's coaching programs on, Kajabi, Discord, like I said, Patreon, you know what I mean? It's a lot of different ways. But for you, you just got to select the right platform. You got to understand what you want to do, which I'm telling you guys, I'm doing it this way. So I would recommend you follow this path. You can do whatever you want to, but I got so much knowledge in this, and I picked the right path. What you about to see is Skool.com, man. Shout out to Skool.com. It is literally a community where, it's a platform where you can host a community. You can put coaching in there. You can put content in there. You can put courses in there. You can have your calls in there. It's an all-in-one, one-stop shop, bro. And shout out Sam Ovens. I actually found out about Sam Ovens. He's the owner of the community of the platform. I found out about Sam Ovens before I even came to Skool, and I was like, wow, this is an optimal human being right here. You feel me? Shout out to Sam. Maybe one day he'll watch this and he'll say, hey, look, the Avery kid, he's a cool guy. But I choose Skool.com because of these reasons, man. It combines coaching, community, and content in one platform. It handles the back end of your payments for you, bro. So once they pay you, or once they buy your thing and they don't pay the next month, or they do pay the next month, you don't have to worry about that, bro. Skool automates it, and it's good for me because I am a content creator. My first business is content, bro. So as easy as possible for the back end business stuff to get done, it's beautiful for me, right? So Skool helps me with that. And also, it's a cheap way to start a business. I think right now they're doing plans for $8. If you got $8, you can start your own Skool. I am on a $99 per month plan, because the $99 per month plan, it comes with many more perks. Click the link in the description, join through my link, and I think you get 14 days free. So if you ever thought about starting a business, just click the link in the description. I'm gonna have my Skool link there, so you guys can literally click it, start a community, start getting paid from literally this blueprint that I'm showing y'all right now. Somebody gonna follow this blueprint and they gonna make their first sale ever. They gonna start their first business today and make their first sale tomorrow, no cap. Step number 3 is going to be to define the transformation. This is where we get into the meat and potatoes of your actual business, starting and scaling your actual business. So a transformation is basically taking somebody from point A to point B, from this to this. As you can see, from this part, the first part could be struggling, frustrated, stuck in the current situation. And this right here is primarily, most of the time, is going to be where you were. Remember, I told y'all to find something that you good at, find something that you went through, because this is where it comes in handy. I once was, as you are about to see, I once was a guy, my other picture ain't showing up. I once was a guy, I made a lot of bad decisions. I was living with my mother. I was not looking too good, not looking too hot, man. And I turned that around, and I had another picture on here, bro. They holding me on my other picture. It was a beautiful picture, though, They don't have it on here. But you see me now. You know what I mean? This guy was skinny. His hair was breaking off. You know what I mean? He probably doing anything with anybody in terms of girls. Now I am a respectful young man. I'm in my own crib, nice crib. You know, I'm a very structured guy. And you just got to trust me if you've been watching these videos that I'm not this guy anymore. You know what I mean? I am a very transformed and presentable human being, you know. And you just got to take them through the transformation, man. I make a lot of videos on where I came from versus who I am now. You know what I mean? I was the type of person, I grew up in a certain household where education was frowned upon, basically. You know, we're not learning that shit. You know, you reading a book, you're weird. It was just these type of stigmas. You know what I mean? Well, I didn't know what a credit score was. You know what I mean? We used to generational poverty, right? And I was able to figure out a way on how to break that cycle and how to make money and make income and scale my income using the platform called YouTube. And that's basically where I transform people to show people that it is a different way from here to here. And a lot of people don't actually understand that. And it isn't until somebody that's been in their position is able to show you how to get from point A to point B till they actually understand. And that's exactly what I do. And I do it through the YouTube platform, right? So that's basically defining your transformation. Like I said, step 3, struggling and frustrated to a specific result. My specific result is financial freedom through posting YouTube videos. Simple, 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 simple. Now let's go to step number 4. And this is where you craft your simple offer. Everything is a continuation of the last step. Make sure y'all writing this down. We on step 4 now. So how do you craft a simple offer, AB? Well, look at the screen. You figure out one problem that people are having. You figure out a clear outcome. And you figure out a way to simply close that gap from problem to outcome, right? So my problem was I didn't know how to make fucking money. I'm sorry for cursing. I didn't know how to make an income. I didn't know how to get money and buy the things that I wanted to and take care of the people that I loved. I didn't know how to do that, right? But I figured out how to do that, and the bridge to that gap was YouTube, and I show people exactly how to bridge that gap, and that is literally the problem to the outcome, and that's the simple delivery of it, right? And that's basically your simple offer. For you, let's say you know how to play basketball and you got some secrets in your head of how to play basketball the most efficient way, the best way. So you take people who want to know how to play basketball but can't, and you give them everything that you learn and consolidate it into information, give them the information, and boom, there you go, right? And I'm about to show you exactly how I did it, like everything else. This is my exact bio, right? And when you do your simple offer, you want to make sure that your outcome is tangible. You want to give a tangible result that they can measure, and my tangible result is here. You feel me? I show people how to make their first $500 online even if they have a full-time job. A little background story about me is I was working a full-time job doing YouTube full-time as well, and I have systems that help me do that. Of course, if you want those systems, just stay tuned to the end of the video. But I show people how to tangibly make their first $500 online even if they work a full-time job, right? And these are a couple of things that I offer in my community. Click the link in the description if you want to know more about that. And step 5, I think we're almost at the end, guys. It's very easy. It's very easy. I'm not going to lie. It took me a long time to understand this, but as you guys can see, I'm consolidating it better for you, right? Step number 5 is building your tiny funnel. What is a funnel? A funnel is something that captures people at the top and converts them down to a specific thing. And as you can see in this presentation, I actually made a funnel, right? So the top of your funnel, this is a simple funnel too. I'm about to give y'all a funnel guide in less than 30 seconds, right? The top of your funnel is your lead magnet, something free and valuable that attracts your ideal clients, right? For me, I'm telling people how to do YouTube, so I'm going to give y'all a real life game on YouTube, which I'm doing right now. I'm giving you real life business advice, real life game on business, and people who like that, people who want to watch that are going to watch this video. That's the top of the funnel. After that, I'm going to tell you guys, shit, just click the link in my bio. If you click the link to my bio, it's going to give you a direct path to either your offer or your discovery call. We do both at the moment, depending on what type of person you are. It's going to give you that direct link. And then number 3, if people like it, then they want to convert and they're interested in buying your product and they turn into paying customers, right? It's simple. 1, 2, 3. Now, this next step is where I'm about to lose a lot of people. This next step is what people don't do in the space. This next step is what Avery B does and why Avery B is so confident on coming on this camera and telling y'all my whole back end system, because a lot of people are not going to do this step number 6. My bad. It's step 5, but this is step number 6. Actually deliver. You have to actually deliver. Actually deliver what you said you were going to deliver. If you ever been at AB Academy, you know how serious I am about AB Academy. You see me every week. I'm on there. I'm talking. I'm texting. I'm actually involved in the community, and I give you extreme value. I don't give you extreme value just to give you extreme value. I over deliver the value. You got to exceed your client's expectations. You got to give them a memorable experience. You got to have measurable results. And another thing that you can do to help you out is documenting success, collecting testimonials, capturing the before and afters, and building your proof library. My proof library is so extensive. If you don't believe me, click the link in the description. Join AB Academy for yourself, and you will see it, not only for other people, but for yourself. I got a couple of testimonials on the next screen. As you can see, 12 days ago, my boy NTV said he appreciated the Academy so much. He's been in the Academy for the last 4 to 5 months, and he's really enjoying it. My guy right here, Ike. Shout out my boy Ike. He made $1,000 for the first time on YouTube, following my steps and guidance. Shout out my boy Ike. But this is basically to show you guys my last point. My last point that I made. Look at this. Hold on. Let me go back so y'all can see this. Deliver. Actually deliver the value. Actually show people what to do. Actually be there for people, and they will get the results. That's the best part of it. That's the only reason, the main reason that we started this is to deliver results. It feels so good to have somebody say, bro, you changed my life. You helped me for the better. That feels amazing. And I want y'all to be able to do the same thing, because y'all have something that can help somebody. You have something that can help somebody, man. And hey, you got to use your gifts, bro. You got to give your gifts out to the world, right? And we just going to call this step 6, even though it's 7. Step 7 is scaling the smart way, man. Automating things, having your group programs structured in the right way, having your PVOs, premium value offers, to increase value and pricing strategically. This is the back-end business side that this gets kind of extensive, but if you do it for a long time, it's going to be very easy. Like, I can say some of these words you probably never seen before, but for me, it's kind of ingrained in me because, like I said, I was down for the count for a long time, and all I was doing was studying. All I was doing was learning. All I was doing was gaining knowledge, wisdom, reading every day, watching videos that help me progress. Shout out to you if you watch this video this long, because you are just like me, bro. You want and you seek knowledge to better yourself. It's not a lot of us out here, man, but streamlining your booking process, your payments, and your onboarding, I can show you how to do all that. I'm not going to say it's easy, but it's simple once you understand it, right? So scaling smart, here's an example of how I scale. This is my Monday through Saturday right here. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. These are a couple of my calls. The 8 a.m. espresso hour, I love coffee. I hop on with a couple of my students and we talk about strategies. At 3 p.m. on Fridays, we always do new member onboarding to show you how to work the community. And on Saturday, as you can see, at 10 a.m. we have a community call, and at 11 a.m. we have a inner circle call, right? So as you can see, these are my streamlined process on how I communicate with my community and actually provide value. Like I said, I'm not like all these other people y'all used to. We actually give extreme value in the community. If you ever been in AB Academy and joined my calls, you know how much value we give, right? So now all you have to do is start today. You know what I mean? Your expertise is needed. Somebody is waiting for the transformation that only you can provide. You have something, you have a gift that you can give the world. You have a gift that you can give the world. And as long as you give that gift and provide value, you will be compensated accordingly. Provide value, and it always comes back, chat. And if you want my exact blueprint that I'm using to scale this business, then click the link in the description, book a call, and I will give you my exact blueprint on how I do business. And I'll show you how to do content as well. We have a lot of offers available. You know, it's lit. You know, click the link below. There's a lot of things in my description. Just click it and you'll find what's right for you. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure you guys have a beautiful and blessed rest of your day.